Dude. Why do they keep lagging? So annoying. All good. We are live. Bro. Are we good? Bro, what's going on? Are we live? I think we're good. So stupid. I don't know why it keeps doing that. Jones! What up, Jones? Dude, I don't know what's going on. That's so annoying, though. Like, that's the third time in the last 2 weeks it did that. It literally just, like, freaking just stops. I don't know why. It's pretty annoying. I just don't get it. Dude, I was literally fixing the stream, like, trying to get it to go live while in this trade, and we're still at 50 points. I'm like, I low-key almost got out at break-even, but I was like, nah, this thing could work. I don't know why it keeps doing that. I'm sorry, guys. I'm literally talking, and then I literally just see it freeze, and then people saying it's frozen. Then I refresh it, and then it's all gone. But everything happens for a reason. Can't complain too much. Just a little annoying. Because I don't like starting the new streams like that. It's annoying. Alright, we're at 50 points. Yeah.
Order filled.
Bang, guys. Look at that. Nice 50-point trade right there. We got back the loss and 600 bucks. Look, we cleared the buffer again. And we can play this trade again. And if we make a profit now, we can, what is it? We can, take another withdrawal, guys. This is the $2 account, guys. This is the $2 account. Doing good, Tushar. What's up, man? Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, Loki could have maybe, like, full exit right there and then enter shorts immediately. Look at that. It's playing a range right here, guys. That was a nice 50-point trade. But this is a good range because these are, like, 60, 70-point trades. You know what I'm saying? And this was, like, at the very bottom of the range. I was looking for maybe an entry down here, but it didn't come up there. Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, so we cleared the buffer again. Dude, this $2 account has been on a wild journey. It's been through so much emotions. Yes, sir, Tushar, the best microman. Let's go. So, guys, if we make a profit on the next trade, because we're at the buffer, so I'm down to take another trade. If we make a profit on the next trade, we can take a withdrawal. Yeah, Steve, we got $300 in payouts with this $2 account, so it's like fun. It could fund our other accounts and like buy us dinner and shit. Yeah, I gotta work on the swearing. Hold on. Yeah, it could like buy us groceries. Cause I gotta go to Costco. I gotta go to Costco soon, guys. And every time I go to Costco, I'm dropping like 350 bucks for like a month's worth of food. So we could low-key look for groceries today, guys. We can make some groceries. OG Beats, yeah, I've traded the account, but not on stream. I haven't traded on stream yet. I'm at 3 winning days and at $500 profit. So I need 2 more winning days and a bigger profit balance in order to request. Yeah. So not too bad. Yeah, that was a good trade, guys. Honestly, that was a great full exit, honestly. I don't even care if it keeps ripping. That was a nice full exit. Because we gotta learn and realize it's forming a range. And majority of the time, it's good to just lock in that full exit. Yes, sir, Isaac. It's okay. We lost on the first trade, but it's not a big deal. Not a big deal. We got bottom wicked out and then it ran up. But we took a nice long right there. $1,300 at Costco. Damn. My gosh. How big is your family, Adriana? Yeah, every time I'm there, I drop around like 350 bucks. But it lasts about like a month for my girlfriend and I. So, And then if we go to like some other grocery stores, so we spend about $500 a month on food probably. I think that's not bad. That's not including eating out, like if we go to a restaurant or something. 2 kids, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, a lot of meat. I've been buying the meat in bulk at Costco too, and then like separating the steaks and chicken and stuff, and like have it in like different sections for dinner. Yeah, because every time I go to Costco, I end up buying stuff that I don't really need. But I don't know. It's cheaper in the long run. They don't accept Amex. Yeah, they don't accept Amex. I don't know why a lot of retailers and like some prop firms, they don't accept Amex. I don't understand why. And some other stores, they also don't accept Amex. I don't know why. You guys know why? Yeah, we gotta get some ground beef money, some steaks. Yeah, Will. If you go to Costco hungry, oh man, it's over. It's over. Hanwin, that's what I heard. I heard that it was like higher fees or something with Amex. Yeah, because I know some prop firms and the online stores don't accept Amex. Costco doesn't accept Amex. This Antica store I went to recently didn't accept Amex. American Express. Yeah, but sorry about the freezing on the stream. I have no idea why it's doing that. Maybe because I'm streaming and I'm multi-streaming to Kick and Twitch, that it's taking all, and I'm trading as well, so it's absorbing all the bandwidth and using so much power and electricity where the computer can't comprehend the amount of accelerants, and then my equilibrium response also correlates with that equilibrium response, and then my prefrontal cortex also starts feeling that, and then it just pops. I don't know. Loki might want to take a short right here. Alright.
Order filled.
Yeah, we'll take a short. Screw it. We're playing the range, guys, so looking for it to fall back down to here. This is a decent range if it still respects it, because right here, that's a nice 60, 70 point trade right there if it still respects the range. And if we profit on this trade, guys, that's another payout. We got to get ourselves groceries, guys. We got to get ourselves groceries tonight. Tonight's the night. Nice. $10 points. You want the Champions music, Steve? Champions. We have a payout on the line. If we profit on this trade, Champions, we have a payout locked in. This is the one and only $2 account, Champions. Are you with me, Champions? This is the $2 account. $2 to 2 payouts, and we're at the buffer again. If we profit on this trade, guys, Champions, we can get another payout. Come on, Champions. Are you with me? Champions, it's forming a range right here, Champions. This is a 60, 70 point range. If we capitalize on that, that is a nice $1,000, $1,200 trade right there. Champions, we are eating good tonight if we smack this TP, Champions. Full TP smack, Champions. Are you with me? Champions, we're at 15 points. Come on, Champions. 15 points, Champions. At our peak, we're up 20 points. go, champions. Come on. Come on, hype it up. Let's go, champs. Come on. Is that all you got? Come on, champions. Yep. Let's go, guys. Come on. Let's go, champions. Champions. Smack the TP. 70-point trade. Get the payout. Call it a day. Come on. Come on, champs. We're at 12 points. Come on, champs. No, Crowbar. This is the champions song. We gotta go hard on this. Champions, 70-point trade to the downside. 20 points, champions. 25 points. Come on, champs. Let's go. Yeah, yesterday, guys, new rule. No messing around during trades. The next day, let's go, champions. Alright, at our peak, we're up 25 points. That's good. We've been seeing aggressive rips down in the direction and then pullback, so it's okay. This trade could still work out, guys. Yeah, low-key might have to trim some, guys. $500, that's kind of a lot, actually. 25 points. Come on, champs. Let's go. Come on. Is that all you got? Give me more. Come on, NQ. Smack the downside. 70-point trade. Full TP hit. We're going to Costco. Let's go. Come on, champions. No, Steve, no. You got the music going, you're like, oh shoot. Champions, 10 points, champions, come on. 15 points, champions, come on. Is that all you got, NQ? Give me more, come on. Yeah. Champions, 15 points, champions. Rebecca's a 10-point mark. Ooh, champs. And Q, come on, let's go. Alright, champions, we're at 20 points. We have a new 5-minute in a minute 20. Champions, are you with me? 20 points, champions. Straight drop, fill the range. To the downside, we're up 25 points. 30 points.
Order filled, order filled.
Trim 4 micros right there. Stop loss, 2 break even. Alright guys, this is a risk-free trade now, guys. Risk-free, risk-free. Champions, can we hit it? Champions, we're at 40 points, champions. We trimmed 4 micros. Come on guys, we need some groceries tonight. Come on, champs. Come on, hype it up. Let's go. We have a payout locked in, guys. And you guys are not going champion mode? Come on, let's go. Ah! Champions, let's get that $500 payout. I'm happy. I don't care. I don't care. It's doing these aggressive pullbacks, guys. Come on, champions. Champions, we got a $545 payout. Come on. We went from... Guys, we went from down $400 on the day. We were at a $1,000 balance, and then the last 2 trades, we made $1,500. Let's go. This is the $2 account, guys. This is the $2 account. We took this account from $2 to now 3 payouts. Look at that. $2 to 3 payouts. 545. 545 times 0.8. Guys, we got ourselves groceries for a month. Let's go. $436 payout. Let's freaking go, guys. Guys, we're just playing the range right here. I'm not going to be greedy. It's doing these aggressive pullbacks. And, I mean, $400 is $400. That's a good day, honestly. Especially since we were down on the day from the start. Yeah, guys, we cannot let this $2 account die. That's a massive swing, guys. That's a massive swing. $400? Dude, that's a great day. Guys, that's groceries for a month. Come on. We got to think of that perspective. Oh, $400, Casey, that's nothing. What are you going to make with $400? Bro, I can eat for a month with that. Come on. Yeah. $2, guys. This is the $2 account. We took this. If you guys haven't watched the recap video, it's on my YouTube main videos. We took this account from $2 to now plus 304. Guys, we took this account from $2 to clearing the buffer and getting $740 in payouts after the fees. All right, good thing we locked out right there. Look at that. We would have got back to break even. Yeah, that's a great day. Yeah. What's up, cool name? Yeah, Rex, that's a PS5 right there, guys. That's a full-on PS5 we just made. We gotta put it in different perspectives, yeah. See, as long as we keep the $2 account alive and we're consistently getting payouts with it, this is the $2 account. It's a funded account. This one. So we request anything daily over $2,000, and then in the meantime, we can still keep getting daily payouts if we profit, and then these accounts we can work on the challenges. How much is 10, 20, 20? 20 micros? Cool name. We took this account from $2 to clearing a buffer and getting how much in payouts? Let me see. $740 in payouts. We're just playing the range here, guys. $2. Low-key, guys, we can make another short. Yeah, those are banger trades. So we caught a nice 50-point trade reversal. First trade, we got stopped out 20 points. We got bottom wicked and then it ran up. We took a long right here, nice 50-point trade. Then took a nice short right here. Yeah, that's pretty good.
Order filled.
Order fill. All right, we're gonna play the range again. Still, I mean, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Why not? These are challenges. Dude, imagine I accidentally ripped the freaking funded account. 20 micros. You're either gonna have a really good day or a really bad day. But yeah, just playing this range here, guys. It keeps rejecting off this top area and then bouncing off this bottom area, and those are like nice 60, 70-point trades. Yeah, this is a good short entry right here, yeah. 7-2, because I was looking for this 7-10 entry, but it's not coming there anymore. It's just coming up to this like 700, 708 area. 705. Champions, we gotta get these challenges going. So we can keep getting daily payouts on one account, and then we can hopefully pass these 5, and then, yeah, get these going. We can. I like ranges if they respect it and they're good ranges. Some ranges are just slow, choppy, caca-poo-poo. But like some ranges, like this is a decent range that we're forming right here because it's a nice risk to reward. Champions. Boom, 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 boom. Bro, I gotta go on a run. I haven't gone on a run. I'm keeping... Hey, you guys want to grow as a person, even as a trader, just a person in life, you gotta take accountability. I haven't gone on a run in the last 3 weeks. Alright, it's breaking out the range. Not liking that. So, guys, when you're trading a range, you don't want to have like a giant stop loss, because if it breaks the range, you don't want to be in that trade. So we're probably going to get stopped out right here.
Stop filled.
Stopped out right there. 25 points. So, it's okay. Good thing we locked out on this funded account, guys. So when you're playing a range, that was actually a good lockout. Because it really ran up and stopped us out right there. So that was a very nice lockout on this funded account. Damn, I've been getting clapped on these damn challenges. I have not been getting any momentum with them. But anyways... Yeah, you don't want to have a big stop loss because if it breaks out, you don't want to be in that trade. You want to get stopped out and be done. So I think that was still a good trade. I would have taken a short there anytime. So it just didn't work out. The range is finally breaking. The range is no longer being a range. But we got to be cautious of it being a turtle soup. Like, jokes aside, of this being a turtle soup, false breakout, break the range, and then fall right back in. That's what we got to be worried about, because we have seen that a couple times recently, where it breaks out the range and then it comes right back down. So it looks like a breakout, stops everyone out, and then falls right back in. So that's what we got to be cautious about. Boom, boom. Reynolds chance. Turtle soup. It's literally it's actually a legit strategy. It's a false breakout, essentially. Yeah, we did a masterclass like what, a month or two ago? A month ago? Yeah, we did a masterclass on it. It's literally a false breakout, and then it smart money liquidity sweep stops us out. Buyers step in or sellers step in, and it comes right back down. False breakout. Well, good thing we had a tighter stop right there, 25 points. What's a turtle soup? It's actually a legit strategy. Guys. Yeah, Take Profit is Rex, actually probably not, because they're trailing drawdown. But they're a good firm if you're used to trailing drawdown in the funded account, and you could take daily payouts. And there's no consistency in the funded. That's what I really like about TakeProfitTrader. Rex, if you're okay with trading trailing drawdown, then yeah, I think they're a good firm. But Turtle Soup, guys, is a popular contrarian trading strategy that identifies and trades false breakouts, also known as liquidity sweep or raids. Designed to profit when a price breaks in a previous high or low, takes out the stops, reversals, false breakout, boom. Types of turtle soup. The setup: price moves a key high or below a low, trigger stop loss orders. Look, we got stopped out, but fails and then comes right back down. False breakout. It's basically a false breakout. I don't know how he got the name Turtle Soup. Champions. We're eating today. We're getting groceries today, champions. Let's go. Yeah, turtle soup for lunch. Yeah, I have not been getting any momentum on these damn challenges. It's all good. We can make it back. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I would not have too big. See, guys, look, imagine you had like a 50-point stop loss from that entry. Way too big. We had a 25-point stop. Just right above this previous wick right here. Playing the range. The ranges are good until it doesn't work out. That's why you want a tighter stop. You want to get stopped out and you don't want to be in that trade. Even if it's a false breakout, in the long run, I think you would save more money with just tighter stoppers. Deals, low key, man. Low key. Because, yeah, we started these 150Ks and we didn't get any momentum with them. And then these are brand new. We started them yesterday. And then we've been getting clapped on them. Like, every single trade we've been losing on them. But the good thing is we've been winning on the 50K funded and we're getting payouts on it. So, that's a win. But, yeah, low key might have to go back to the 50Ks. You're kind of right, Dills. I'm definitely going to trade these and try and get them to pass. But, yeah, if it doesn't work out, we low-key might have to go back to the 50Ks. Yeah. or I want to see like maybe it continues long. Maybe look for a pullback entry, retest this top range area for entry long if it still wants to continue. Deals probably right now just focusing on the other firms because I got I got these TakeProfitTrader and then I got the Lucid group. Maybe, I don't know. For right now, I'm sticking with these firms. I want to see how like if people get payouts with them. Steve, I learned options. I joined a group when I very first started and was just copying their signals. Then I'm losing money with them, and I'm like, screw this. I'm gonna learn this on my own because I kept losing money with them. And then I was just watching YouTube videos, and I pretty much learned on my own in like YouTube videos. But yeah, I pretty much learned on my own, Steve, with like the futures and everything. Then after like 5 months of starting futures trading, I started a YouTube channel documenting the journey, which was pretty cool. Yeah, guys, we're just documenting the journey here. You guys are just here for the ride, man. Thank you, guys. But yeah. And then yeah, learning from my mistakes, really understanding what I'm doing wrong, what I'm doing right. I noticed last year especially, I just kept repeating the same mistakes over and over and over again for like no reason. Like I wasn't learning from my mistakes, but now I'm like, my risk management gotten a lot better recently. Yeah, like the last few months, my risk management got a lot better. Chance, oh yeah, the rattlesnake spaghetti. I haven't seen that strat in a while, man. That's cool that you're trading that, Chance. I haven't seen the rattlesnake spaghetti in a while. I made some good payouts with that strat. Some nice trades. Boom, boom. We do have a new 30-minute in 2 minutes. I guess it really wants to go long. Well, that's good that we're breaking out this range. Well, actually, I don't know. I kind of like it in that range, honestly. That was a good range. That's why when you see these ranges, guys, and you're good at them, like, because most people do not like trading ranges. I do if it's like a good range. If it's like a slow, choppy, bad one, then no. Like 10, 15 point candles, no. But like 50, 70 points, that's a good range. Oh yeah, I love reptiles. Gotta love the reptiles. I want to see where this 5-minute closes. It's in 25 seconds. What's up, Daily Day Trade? What's up, man? How you doing?
Order filled.
Wow, that's really loud. We'll try a long right here. Continuation long. No, we're still in this fight. What am I saying? We still got $2,700 left. What am I saying? We still are in this fight. We just gotta get some winners going. Just lock in some winning trades. It's kind of loud, yeah. Champions. Oh yeah, daily day trade. There's definitely always meat on the bone. Gotta get that steak. Yeah, I remember I was doing a shoe deal. I forgot how he said it, but he like we like when we're doing the shoe deals. What I also like is like I did a lot of negotiating, right? Like negotiating the price. I'm like he's like, oh, the lowest I'll do is 100. I'm like, no, I'll do 80. He goes like, he's like, best I'll do for you case is $90. There's definitely some meat on the bone left. I'm like, I was like, meat on the bone. The first time I heard that, I was like, meat on the bone. I'm like, all right. I was like, $90. I'll take it. Yeah, man, the shoe deals, that's probably one of my favorite parts, the shoe meetups. And then buying a bunch of shoes. Those were really fun. 10 points. He's like, come on, Case, there's some meat on the bone left. I'm like, what? I was like, what? And I was like, yeah, I'll take it. Meat on the bone. So funny. At our peak, we're up 10 points. Just looking for it to rip up. Now we're back to break even. But like I said, I would never sell at 10 points like that. Because we could break this 70 and that's a nice 20 point plus, and then if it keeps ripping, we have a nice gap to the upside. Alright, nice. 15 points. See, it just wicks, makes a new high, which is great, but then it just aggressive pullbacks. Alright,
Order
nice.
filled.
Nice, 20 points. Trim 4 micros right there. Yeah, we just need to lock in some winning trades. Even if they're small.
Order filled.
Yeah, we're just going to get a quick scalp, honestly. Because we lost on that first trade. So we got, see, we made $700 on that trade. So, I mean, $700 adds up a lot, guys. I mean, it adds up quick. And then what I've been seeing is it goes a big rip, and then it just does a big pullback. So that was a nice entry long. Peace out, Isaac. Have a good day, man. I appreciate you as always, brother. Have a good one. 24,900, yeah. Yeah, I could see a nice gap up, but yeah, I got out of that trade because it's been doing these big pullbacks, and I'm like, we could just re-enter. So yeah, we could definitely keep pushing up higher. This is a big gap. It's finally broken out this range. We were bullish at the start, and we still were, but then we formed a range right here, and we're playing out this range, and now it finally broke out the range. Yeah, low-key, guys, we might have to go to 3 minis. Maybe. Because I don't want to spend so much time on these challenges. Nvidia is at $180. Dude, every time Nvidia has been going to like 180, 170 area, it just keeps popping back to 190, 195. We've talked about this in past streams. And I'm like, I mean, that's a nice extra like 5-10% trade. Swing trade. 5-10%. What do you guys think about Nvidia on like, I'm trying to start some long-term stuff. Nvidia at like $180. I feel like it's a decent price. I don't know. Nice job, Eddie. Great job. Yeah, get that funded account activated. Palantir, yeah, I was also looking at Palantir. Palantir Technologies. Each set sold separately, batteries not included. Must be 18 years or older to order. Yeah, because Palantir had highs of like 200, 207. Great job, Eddie. Get that payout, man. Milk the props. Nice job, Eddie. Love to hear that. What are other things I'm looking at? We're down 7.5% on silver today. At our peak today, we're down like 11-12%, I think. Oh my gosh. Dude, silvers, the metals have been crazy volatile. Great job, Joshua. Man, I remember, yeah, I was looking at Palantir when I was like at like 90, 100 bucks. I was like, nah. Because I think it was near all-time highs or something, or it was like the all-time high was 120, I think. Then it came down to like 90, 70, 80. No, it went down to like 70, yeah, and then like 80. And I was looking at it at 90, I was like, nah, it's going to keep going down. Same thing I did with Nvidia, man, last year. No, I think Palantir is a good company, yeah, long-term. Yeah, because what I want to do is like... What's up, Goth Boy? What's up, brother? Peace out, Beyond Limits. Have a good one, man. I'll see you tomorrow, man. Have a good day. Yeah, because, dude, like, the dream goal is to, like, get, like, consistently good payouts. This is, like, the dream goal, right? Have, like, get consistent payouts with prop firms. Do good on that, become profitable. And then have your own live account as well with the prop firms. And then your profits that you make from it, you withdraw and then reinvest into like long-term portfolios, like the bigger companies like Nvidia, Palantir, Microsoft, Meta, Tesla, stuff like that. And also like, you know, like NQ and SPY, of course. I think that'll be the dream goal. So you have your money. Each dollar, guys, is a working soldier. That's why I want to start a long-term portfolio. Yeah, get consistent good profits and payouts with prop firms. Get a live account. Then use that profits that you make and withdraw to do some long-term stuff. I think that'd be pretty cool. Yeah, we're just playing bullish right now. Yeah, look for entry long. Yeah, Joshua, now that I think about it, there's times I wait and hesitate, it then, like, rips and make new highs. Maybe I could just also dollar cost average in, yeah? Like, once a week or once a month or something. Maybe. Eddie, the 300K is, I'm pretty sure it's a 7,000? No, $3,500 payout. $3,500 payout on the 300K, pretty sure. Yeah, Red. Yeah, $20 was a great investment. Cause my neighbor he invested into Nvidia back in 2017, and it was like I think like $3 or $4 a share. It was really cheap. I think. Let me see. He invested in 2017. Yeah, it was $3 a share, $2 and $3 a share. He invested in Nvidia, and then when it ran up, he sold a lot of it, and then he bought a house with it. Crazy. Damn, $3. Oh my gosh, guys. Nvidia, $3 a share. all in, all in, all in. Damn, $3 a share. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, Joshua. Also, dollar cost averaging in. Yeah. Yeah, because I'm thinking, like, they also said like the S&P and NQ, they rise about like, they gain about like 8% a year, like averagely or something. So yeah, if we just dollar cost average in, yeah, it should be better. Eddie, yeah, that's your max payout. The max payout on that is like $3,500, and also $500 minimum. It just anything between 500 and 3,500. Yeah, Joshua, that is true. Yeah, they do splits. Yeah. Dabda, yeah, that is the end goal. Yeah, that is right. That is the end goal. But we gotta do good on the futures trading first. See, guys, we made $400 on this account. $400 after the fees. $436. So, hey, also we could be putting that in a long-term portfolio. You know what I'm saying? Or buying more accounts or something. You know what I'm saying? But I still like longs right now. Just waiting on a good entry. I don't want to just jump the gun. Nice, Joshua. Yeah, there's big swings with crypto. I don't bother with crypto personally. Eddie, after your 6th payout, it should be uncapped, man. But that's if you get there. It's possible, but it's definitely hard. Oh, yes. Yeah, that's what I like about these live streams. We get to talk and learn stuff, too. I want to wait for an entry long on a pullback. Eddie, you need 8 trading days and then 5 profitable days. It's the old Apex rules. Yeah, we did enter a long right around here. Yeah, we entered at like what 742. I'm just worried that it's not gonna come back there. But definitely still like longs. Just waiting on a good entry. New 5 minute and 20 seconds. Getting payouts. And also, guys, the nice thing about this TakeProfitTrader account, if we make a profit again tomorrow, we get a payout. Alright, new 5 minute right here. Very interesting. It should update pretty quick, probably like within 5 minutes, Josh. If it's still not there, contact support. But it definitely should be there. So I know if it's your first time with a prop firm, you gotta sign like the agreements. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, Lucid and TakeProfitTrader are great firms. We got funded accounts with both. Yeah. Yeah, gotta get those payouts. Getting payouts. It's acting kind of funny right here. It looks like it wants to come back down, but the trend is still bullish. Just gotta be cautious on these pullbacks. I don't want to enter at the wrong time. Yeah. Coming down. No, I still like longs. Just go wait for a good entry, a good level. Yeah, if we do continue long, we could definitely see a nice gap up. And we finally broke out this range. And it ran like 150 points out of that range break right here. 130? Yeah, 130, 135. Damn. No, don't rip without me, no. No. I know. Damn it. It's all good. I was gonna look for an entry around like here, the 660 or yeah, this 40 area. I entered along right here. That's what I was waiting for, but it didn't quite come there. New 5-minute. We could catch the momentum if it wants to keep ripping, but I don't want to FOMO in. Right idea. Just kind of hesitated. We're trading MNQ. Yeah, MNQ. I just got so used to trading micros now. Sometimes I'll trade NQ. The minis. The minis wouldn't be bad actually right now. But I already have all my levels marked out right here, so I'm like, I don't really want to change it. What's up, Brian? What's up, brother? How you doing, man? Mr. Brian. Dude, I really want to look for a long, but I don't know. Josh, lately I've been liking the micros, honestly, because the micros, you can scale in and scale out better. And with TakeProfitTrader, it's the same commission fee. It's 50 cents per micro, and then the minis is $5. So it's the same. And I'm like, I trade micros on my fundeds now. Because you can still trade 20 micros, which is like 2 minis, basically. And like I said, yeah, you can scale in and scale out better. So lately, yeah, I've been liking micros. Yeah, Brian, we got a payout locked in, brother. We got a nice payout. This account, Brian, this is a $2 account. We got it to a payout again. Let's go. Now we're working on challenges again. We're down like 300 on the challenges. Nothing crazy. Yes, sir, Josh. Yeah, I started recently actually using micros this year, honestly. And yeah, they're pretty good, honestly. I like them. Micros for the win. Thank you, Brian. Another one, guys. Another one. We got groceries for a month. Yeah. Yeah, daily day trade. Thanks, man. Yeah, we started down on the day, $400 on our first trade. Then we caught a nice 50-point trade. Then another nice trade. Yeah, we're playing off this range right here. So nice. Peace out, Joshua. Thanks for tuning in, brother. Yeah, get that bag, man. 2,300. Let's go. Lock it in. Good job, man. Kakochi, what's up, man? Yeah, that was a nice save with that account. Guys, this $2 account. This $2 account, guys. We cannot let him die. We got to make him survive and continue. Guys, I'm telling you, if we take him from $2 to payouts to getting a live account with it, oh my gosh. Hang him up. Big gold medalist of the year. Let's go. I think TakeProfitTrader moves you to live after 10 grand in payouts. I think. Brian, yeah, that's the plan. Just keep this account alive and keep taking daily payouts. Because let me see what trading day we're on. Dude, I can't believe we survived this account, honestly. Crazy swing. This is our 32nd trading day with the account. Not including the challenges. The challenge days. 32 days on the funded account today. Yeah, we got some good payouts. Yeah. Big swings. Let's go. Yeah, but in the meantime, we're working on these challenges. Yeah, Brian, it's if you consistently do good on the funded account, so it's up to the risk team, or you make 10 grand in a day. So, we'll see. I actually would be really happy if I got moved to a live account with that one account. I'd be pretty happy, honestly. Because I want to see what the process is like with that live account program with TakeProfitTrader. Because I never got a live account with them. The only live account I got was with MyFundedFutures. And we cleared like 10... almost 10 grand in payouts, like 9,500, I think. So not bad. Yeah, Brian, these are the 150k accounts. We're down $1,000 overall. Not bad. But it could be better. Yeah, we're down 1,100. 1,150. Just waiting for the good trade. Daily day trade, I like them. They're pretty good. I like the direction their Apex is going. That's good that they're changing it up. I like that. So hopefully they stay true with the no payout denials and everything. So as long as you hit the trading requirements and you request a payout, it gets automatically approved. That would be very nice. So you don't have to be worried about getting your payout denied and sending in videos of you recording and all that weird stuff. Because who wants to do that and have to worry about getting your payout denied? Yeah, Brian, 90-10 split, still daily payouts. I like that. Yeah, I actually would want to get moved to live with this one account. Yeah, TakeProfitTrader has like the best live program. 5 accounts, daily payouts, 90-10 split. I mean, what more can you ask, guys? So, yeah, I would actually be happy if I got moved to live. Yeah, day trade. Yeah, but then it's like, yeah, it's not too bad, but it's like, the payouts are nice. I think they said that you either get moved to live or you can restart the challenges again. I mean, if you could restart the challenges again, that'd be great. And still trade 20 accounts. Brian, I'll probably top 3 right now for me would be TakeProfitTrader, MyFundedFutures, and Lucid. The others are still great firms, Tradeify and TradeDay, but if I were to pick, I would probably pick Lucid, TakeProfitTrader, or MyFundedFutures. Those are my top 3 probably at the moment. But I don't have them in any order. But they're still really good firms. Tradeify is still a great firm, 100%. Don't sleep on Tradeify, still a good firm. But if I were to pick right now between my top 3, I'll probably have those at the moment. And then TradeDay is still a good firm. TradeDay I recommend if you're like maxed out at other firms and you want to scale to other firms. Like let's say you have like max funded at like all the other good firms, then I would go to TradeDay to scale if you really want to scale. They're still a good firm. It's just that you can only have 3 funded accounts, and the other firms you can have 5. Because the top dogs have 5 accounts now, which is good. That's great. The only one, Apex, says 20. So I'm hoping with this update that the other firms will try to step up their competition and add more accounts, hopefully, funded. Alright, 10 seconds to the next hour, 4-hour candle. 5-minute, everything. Damn, I low-key wish we stayed in this range, because this is a beautiful range to play off of. That was a good range, and that's what we capitalize on. Right now, it's kind of just choppy right here. Daily trade with my Lucid, yeah. Yeah. On my Lucid accounts, yeah. These accounts I'm trading by themselves. I'm just copying them right here. T-spells, yeah, you can have, I think you can have 10 challenges. Funded, though, you can only have 5. Do you imagine the firms upgrade to, like, 10 funded accounts? Woo-hoo-hoo! Shit, we're eating tonight. Yeah. 10 funded accounts at each firm now. Let's go. Copy trading 50 funded accounts. Dude, that'd be a dream. 50 funded accounts is crazy work. Day trade, Tradesyncer. I use Tradesyncer if I'm copy trading 2 firms or more at a time. But if I'm usually copy trading 1 firm at a time, the built-in copier works fine and it's free. Both the tutorials, daily day trade, are in my description on how to do it. Yeah, it does suck that they didn't help you, Brian. I was really annoyed with that. Yeah, the other firms helped out, but yeah, that was pretty annoying. But yeah, TakeProfitTrader has been having the same rules pretty much since when they first came out, which is good. They only changed it better for us. So they only had 3 accounts before, and then if you hit your daily loss limit before, it was a hard breach and you would lose the account in a funded or challenge, which was freaking annoying. I hated that. But they changed that in a good way, so yeah, they're heading in the right direction. So hopefully they stay like that and keep going with that. Maybe, hopefully they changed it from 5 days to pass to like 3 or 2. That would be nice. And get rid of trailing drawdown. Man, if they change it to like 2-day pass and no trailing drawdown, top dog. That'd be a great firm. All good, PTG. At least you got a 40 rack payout, man. Lock coming in, right? So that's still a win, man. Honestly, call it a day, PTG. You still got a 40 grand payout. You know, be thankful for that. And then it's all good that you lost on those accounts. It sucks, but you know, with that 40 grand, you can use to reinvest, man. So even though you lost those accounts, it's still a win, man. And you also your top step, man. You're up in your top step, yeah. No problem, daily day trade. Yeah, 50 funded accounts would be crazy work. Imagine copy trading 50 funded. Yeah, I would just trade micros, like look for like $200-$300 days or something. Stack them. I mean, because one payout on all the accounts, even if it's like $1,000 payout, that's still like 50 grand on 50 accounts. I mean, that's a lot of money. Yeah, Darwin, if they change it from no trailing drawdown and then like quicker day to, if they got rid of the trailing drawdown and kept it to 5 days, I'd be really happy with that still. But if they change it to 2-day pass and no trailing drawdown, top dog. Sign me up. They're still a good firm now, but yeah. Yeah, Brian, to keep the firm sustainable, they probably have to increase the price if they did that, which actually I wouldn't mind. If I had to pay an extra $10-$20 to get no trailing drawdown. Yeah, because if the firm offers, because some firms, like TradeDay, for example, their trailing drawdown accounts are cheaper, obviously, because they're harder to trade, and the end of day are more expensive. I always go with the end of day. I'd rather pay like 10, 20, $30 extra and get the end of day account, because you have a less likely chance of blowing the account and then rebuying them, you know what I'm saying? And I don't like trailing drawdown. Yeah, no problem, PGG. Just look at the bright side, man. You're still up, bro. All good, man. Actually, yeah, you're kind of right, Derek. Actually, yeah, guys, we're actually Tradeify. Tradeify is a good firm. People be sleeping on Tradeify. You could have 500 accounts. You could pass in 3 days, technically. Daily payout option. It's capped, but it's still okay. Yeah, it's still good. Tradeify is actually being slept on. And if you want to do the 5-day option, you can do that. Actually, and they're a 90-10 split. Shit. Hey, I keep forgetting about Tradeify, bro. I keep forgetting about Tradeify. Tradeify is a good firm. And you can have 5 live accounts. Guys, what are we doing? Are we talking about Tradeify right here? Yeah, actually, shit, I'm sleeping on Tradeify. I keep forgetting how good they are. Damn. Yeah, the select account, guys. You could pass in 3 days. End of day accounts. No activation fee. 5 accounts. End of day. I mean, actually, shit. What are we talking about? Nah, TakeProfitTrader is still a great firm. They're all great firms. Yeah, Tradeify is great. Yeah, the only thing with the select accounts daily, they have a daily loss limit and payout caps. But other than that, they're good. But, you know, they can't have, like, no payout caps and people just ripping all in, you know what I'm saying? Because it'll be unsustainable for the firm. What's up, Robert? What's up, man? What's up, Brennan? Yeah, guys. Attempting max funded with Tradeify. I don't know, man. We might have something like that on the way, maybe. Attempting max funded. Yeah, imagine we have 5 Tradeify, 5 Top Step, 5 TakeProfitTrader, 5 MyFundedFutures, 20 Apex, 3 TradeDay, 3 Alpha, 5 Lucid. Oh, man. Oh, what is that, like 50 accounts? Yeah. Damn, Derek, they're actually adding their wallet feature. If they add a wallet feature, that'd be a freaking amazing. Because, guys, also, TakeProfitTrader, they have a wallet system. So you basically can get, like, free accounts and credits the more you, like, buy accounts and if you get payouts, too. Which you can use those points to get free accounts and resets, which is very nice. I like that. They have a wallet system. Credit bank. Yeah, you can buy a free test reset. You can buy any of the accounts. You need 50,000 points for a 50k pro account, which is ridiculous. But other than that, all the other points are legit. Yeah. Yeah, not bad. Oh, yeah. Yep, 5 funded next, 5 funded next. Funded next, yep, you can have 5 of them. Videos, I haven't really tried, yeah. I heard you can have 10. Who else? Day traders, the one that's like Apex. Perdia, E8, you can have 5 E8. You can have 5 day traders. I think you can have 3 Perdia funded. I mean, that's a lot of funded accounts, guys. And I think the prop firm space is only going to get bigger, honestly. I think it's only going to grow. Derek, funded next. Only the Bolt account is daily payouts. Yeah, the Bolt account. Peace out, Brian. Thanks for tuning in. As always, brother, have a great day. Appreciate you. Eddie? Yeah, I mean, if you trade micros and you just, like, look for base hits across, like, yeah, 40, 50 accounts. Yeah, even like one payout, $1,000 each, that's 40 racks. And you're keeping, like, longevity for the account because you're literally just trading micros. So you want to, like, sustain those accounts. So that's great, yeah. Right on, Brian. Yeah, PTG is pretty nice. Kids, yeah, you can have your payouts in your wallet too. Yeah, you can just buy it with your credits. Yeah, I love TakeProfitTrader wallet system, the credit bank. Right on, Brian. Have a good day, man. Peace out, brother. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one, man. Alright, price is coming back down here. Daily payouts with, and also the TakeProfitTrader, the daily payouts on the funded, and there's no consistency. Like I had a banger day today. No consistency we'll have to worry about, and I'm confident when I request this payout tonight, it's in my wallet tomorrow morning. That's what I like about TakeProfitTrader. I already know I'm gonna get the payout. I don't have to worry about it getting denied or something.
Order filled.
Alright, we're good. Oh, thank God. I was making sure I didn't go on my funded. That would have been really bad. This will be my last trade. Looking for a short. Continue down lower. Breaking levels down. And yeah, just looking for it to fall short. Yeah, Eddie, 22 accounts is a lot, man. But that's good you still have fun. 7. 7's a lot still. Yeah, you can make good money with 7. Yeah, Derek, imagine you have like 23 funded accounts, daily payouts, and you're like copy trading them. You don't even have to copy trade them. You can just trade one firm at a time. And then if you win on one and get a daily payout, you're still up. But imagine you're copy trading guys 23 daily funded accounts. You can have 5 funded next Bolt, 5 TakeProfitTrader, 5 Tradeify, 5 MyFundedFutures Rapid, 5, 10. Is there another daily payout option? Is there? Tradeify, TakeProfitTrader, MyFundedFutures. I feel like I'm missing someone. Funded next. Who am I missing? What's up, Meek? What's up, brother? Blueski? Oh yeah, TradeDay. TradeDay. I forgot about TradeDay. TradeDay. That's 3 TradeDay. Yeah, dude, that's a... Dude, imagine just... Guys, imagine copy trading 23 cash ATMs. 23 cash ATMs. Oh my gosh. I mean, if you make like $200 profit on the day, $200 times 23, 4,600, you're getting $4,000 after the fees roughly. $4,000 off $200. Guys, just small $200, but across 20 accounts. Oh man, you're getting $4,000 days. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Wait, that's actually a lot. That's actually insane. Guys, should we just get a crap ton of daily payout accounts and just try to run it up? Just take like small winning days. Because $200, you could trade like just a couple of micros. Oh my gosh, yeah. Yeah, we yeah, guys, we can't tell our secret. We gotta play hush puppy. Shh, 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 shh. Wait a second. Hold up. Wait a minute here. We just found a sauce. We just found a secret sauce. Oh man, 23 daily payout accounts, 23 cash ATMs. Yeah, TakeProfitTrader. Damn. TakeProfitTrader, Tradeify, MyFundedFutures. That's 15. Funded next. That's 20. 23 TradeDay. Oh my gosh.
Stop filled.
Blech, that was a horrible trade. That was a horrible breakout. Dude, we might have to go back to the 50Ks. I am not getting any momentum with these damn 150K accounts. Hey, at least we got a profit today. At least we got a payout, guys, on the TakeProfitTrader. Yeah, because they're 50K accounts because they're going to be like around like, what, 80, 100 bucks each? So that's actually not bad. Guys, like a, yeah, $3,000 investment to get potentially like good money. Obviously, day trading's hard. You're going to blow accounts. It happens. Dude, 23 daily payout accounts. Yeah, Mugs, we're going to save these accounts, these challenges. So we're down 1,900 on these damn challenges. I can't get any momentum with these. I gotta maybe go back to the 50Ks. But on these accounts, pretty nice. We got a nice I think it's like $436. Yeah, we got a $436 payout today. Yeah. Nice. Guys, look at that false breakout rip up. Damn. All good. Let's go. Yep. Yeah, Mugs. I also do really good with the 50Ks. Yeah, low-key might have to go back to the 50Ks. Because I'm not getting any momentum with these. Yep, 50Ks. Yeah, and I also get payouts with them, and they're the cheapest. Yeah, Derek, just stack like small winning days. Yeah, if I blow these 150Ks, probably gonna go back to the 50Ks, honestly. I'm not getting any momentum with them. But I'm obviously gonna try and save them again, obviously. I'm not just gonna blow them for nothing, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try and save them and trying to get them past. But if we do lose them, worst case, we'll go back to the 50Ks. Yeah. Alright, guys, gonna call it right here. So, very nice stream. We started down on the day. We're down like $400 on our first trade. And we got bottom wicked out. And then we caught a nice 50-point trade in this range to the upside right here. Nice 50-point trade. Then we took a nice short to the downside. And we got a nice $436 payout after the fees. This was the $2 account, guys. From $2 all the way to 3 payouts now. Let's go. Unfortunately, not any momentum on these damn 150K challenges. It's okay. It's all good. Like I said, worst case scenario, we'll go back to the 50Ks. But 50Ks I've been doing like really well with. So if it ain't broke, don't fix it. And yeah, so banger day still. I'm pretty happy with it. We got $436 payout. We got groceries for a month. We got steak for dinner. Yeah, let's go. I'm happy with that. Alright, guys. Gonna call it right here. Appreciate y'all as always. Everyone have a blessed, amazing day. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9 a.m. PST. 9 a.m. PST start time as always. And yeah, that's still a great day nonetheless. So, peace out, everyone. Appreciate y'all as always. Have a great day. I'll see you guys tomorrow.